In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to increase your Chase credit card limit. The first thing you want to do is prepare for the request, so check your current credit card limit by logging into your Chase account. Review your credit score and ensure it is good to excellent range. Verify that your account has been open for at least 6 months, and ensure your debit to income ratio is at or below 43%, preferably around 36%. Then choose your method, so option A would be a phone request, so call the number on the back of your credit card. Inform the representative that you'd like to request a credit card limit increase. Be prepared to provide your current annual income, monthly rent, or mortgage payment, and then your desired credit card increase. Aim for 10 to 25% above your current limit. Explain your reasons for requesting the increase. This can be things like long-term customer, consistent on-time payment, or recent income increase. Option B would be an online request. This is if available. Log into your Chase Online account, navigate to Manage Account section, look for an option to request a credit card limit increase. Fill out the required information, including your gross annual income and monthly house payment. Then wait for the decision. In many cases, you'll receive an immediate decision. If approved, the increase should be applied to your account right away. If denied, ask the representative for the reason for denial. Work on improving the factors that led to the denial. This can be things like the credit score or payment history. Consider applying for a different Chase credit card to increase your overall credit limit. Some alternative methods would be to wait for an automatic increase. Chase may automatically increase your limit every 6 to 12 months if you consistently make on-time payments and maintain a low credit utilization. Update your income if you've recently had an income increase. Inform Chase, as this may lead to an automatic credit card increase. Remember, each request for a credit card limit increase may result in a hard credit inquiry, which could temporarily impact your credit score. Be strategic about when and how often you request increases. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.